Hey guys, this is Fisher PJ, and in this video I will be answering the specific question about what to do right after the ankle sprain. So the first few hours, we can expect increasing of pain, inflammation, the swelling. You can observe painful to walk. It depends on the severity of the ankle sprain. You need to do a RICE method. R means rest. You need to protect it. You need to rest. If you can't be able to walk, apply a assistive device or crutches, and make sure not to put the full weight bearing on the ankle. You need to respect the pain, the inflammation. The next part is letter I. We need to apply a con compress for 15 to 20 minutes every 4 hours for 3 days, just to reduce the inflammation and the swelling. C, you need to apply elastic compressions. Just apply an elastic bandage or compression and wrap your ankle and make sure it's not too tight, just to reduce the swelling. For the E, it's the elevation part. We want to elevate our feet right above our heart level. So if you're just lying down at home or sitting, you can put your ankle on the chair. Make sure to elevate it just to reduce the blood flow on that area. And then after a few days, if you observe that the pain, inflammation have decreased, now start to introduce some ankle movements just to prevent stiffness and to regain the mobility of your ankle again. If the pain and swelling have decreased, you can introduce ankle pumps. So just point your toes up and down. Make sure it's not painful. Aim for 20 repetitions. For the second exercise, you can also do a circular ankle movements just to introduce some range of motion exercise. You can do it clockwise and counterclockwise. This is really important, especially if you want to recover fast, because when you roll your ankle or you sprain your ankle, these structures become stiff. The third is you can also do an alphabet ankle motion. You just have to spell the letter A, letter B, and until letter Z. There you have it. I will be posting the second phase in this video, which is the phase after days or weeks when you can now introduce some strengthening exercises. So sit back.